Two people were seriously injured early Saturday after a possibly intoxicated driver crashed into a stranded driver's car in Redbird. The collision happened around 2:30 a.m. on Marvin D Love Freeway near South Hampton Road. The first crash happened when a Mitsubishi collided with the center concrete wall in the HOV lane after it was cut off by another vehicle, police said. While the driver of the Mitsubishi waited for police to arrive, a Ford Escort crashed into the back of his car, causing it to flip over. The driver and passenger of the Ford were both seriously injured in the crash, police said. They were taken to a local hospital in serious condition. Police believe the driver of the Ford was intoxicated, and that person are under investigation for intoxication assault. The driver of the Ford wasn't identified. Did you miss these stories?